Picture this, it's the 1970s. RVs are big, boxy, and clunky. But then GMC shows up with something that looks like it came straight out of Star Trek. Sleek curves, panoramic windows, futuristic tech, so different that people called it the Star Trek Motorhome. This is the GMC Motorhome, one of the strangest yet most brilliant motorhomes ever built. While other motorhomes looked like rolling shoeboxes, the GMC went aerodynamic. A curved windshield, smooth body lines, and low stance made it look futuristic and drive better. Built on a custom chassis with front-wheel drive from the Oldsmobile Toronado, it handled smoother than its rivals. Under the hood, you had two options, a 7.5-litre V8 or a 6.6-litre. Both offered solid torque at low speeds, perfect for powering 23 and 26-foot models across America. On the outside, GMC added features you'd expect today, but not back then. A full aluminum awning, up to 8 huge windows, roof-mounted AC, propane and water tanks, and even a slide-out tray for the generator, making maintenance effortless. Step inside and you'll see why it was called futuristic. The entry door had a proper step and a screen, small details but rare for the time. Once in, you were greeted by shag carpet floors and customizable interiors like Palm Beach or Kingsley decor. The floor plan was flexible. Sofas, dinettes, barrel chairs, you could mix and match. The dining table folded with cup holders, the sofas turned into beds, and with ceiling hooks, even bunk beds for families. The kitchen came with a double sink, a 3-burner cooktop, oven, storage cabinets, and a refrigerator that ran on AC/DC power instead of propane, a feature way ahead of its time. The bathroom, compact but efficient. Toilet, sink, storage, lighting, and ventilation. At the back, more sofas that unfolded into a bed, surrounded by wide windows perfect for stargazing. The driver's cab was just as impressive. Wide captain's chairs that swiveled, a panoramic windshield that felt like flying, cruise control, a leveling system, and air suspension controls, all the way back in 1978. So yes, the GMC Motorhome was strange, but it was also decades ahead of its time. Aerodynamic, customizable, and futuristic, it redefined what a motorhome could be. Even today, when one of these Star Trek RVs passes you on the highway, you can't help but stare. So tell me, was GMC too early for its own good, or did they build the coolest RV ever made?